We can't all have somebody with us to film our videos, but if you have something like the Osmo Pocket 3, you can do tracking just by walking around. It is one of my favorite features of the camera. I also love the fact that I can cancel the recording just by pushing on the record button and holding it down. This is the third time I've had to film the video for different reasons, and it was easy to just cancel that and start it over again exactly how I wanted. I can also start and stop the recording just using the microphone. If I press a button on the side, it'll do that. The fact that I can quickly connect a wireless microphone to this camera is a game changer if you're someone that is trying to make content. And the fact that it can track me while I'm moving around is amazing. I don't actually use this feature that much, and not everybody will, but for the times that you need it, it can be really nice. Now I want to show you how easy it is to use this camera because there's a gimbal, a joystick on the camera. I'm going to press the joystick 3 times, 1, 2, 3. That's going to spin this gimbal around and let me show you this little tripod that I'm using. So I've got it connected to a quick release base right here, you can see. And then this is on the little mount. This is all part of it. This comes with the Osmo Pocket 3. Everything beneath that comes with the tripod, okay? So I'll have it linked down in the comments if you want to check it out. But this thing is absolutely amazing. You've got a little knob right here that lets me loosen this so I can tilt this forwards or backwards, which is really nice. All right, this is also a quick release plate, so if I press this button, I could slide that whole thing off. And then you have a little knob right here. If you turn this knob, that lets this spin freely. So you can easily change this direction while not having to move those little legs down there, which is really nice. A lot of tripods don't have that feature, and this is such an easy thing to use. The other thing that I absolutely love about this is how tall it can get. Look at this. You can lift this thing up so far above you. Now, I'm not gonna put the camera on it up there because it would literally just be like so high it would be useless unless I was higher up. I could have gone and stood on that wall, but we're not gonna do that. So this thing gets super tall, or if you need to, you can very quickly lower it all the way down to there. Like this is almost ground level. The next thing that I absolutely love about this is this little knob right here. If I turn this little knob, I can literally close up these little legs. Check this out. These little legs go like this, boom. And now I am in full just walk around mode if I needed to. This thing is absolutely incredible. I highly recommend it. And I definitely recommend the Osmo Pocket 3. It is an absolutely incredible camera that has a lot of great features that I absolutely love. I use it all the time. So how many times can I say absolutely? That's a question we should ask ourselves. Now watch this. If I change the angle of this guy, right? So we're here. This is gonna be a crazy shot. I can now extend this camera out away from me. And if I just tilt it towards me like this, we've got active track enabled. Watch this shot. This is gonna get so crazy. Look at this. Look at how far away that is now. So, I mean, it's not like anybody would do this regularly, but the fact that you can is kind of crazy. So I absolutely love this gimbal, this tripod setup. It makes everything a little bit easier for content creation. This whole little thing